Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is YouTube, this is Hannah. What? That doesn't even make sense. I mean, it's been a second, man. I haven't recorded in a while and I haven't been very consistent on YouTube, but apologies. This is my aim this new academic year, to be very, very consistent. So yeah, today I'm here with an installation and a review on this wig that was sent to me by zee.elle. So they reached out to me and they sent me a link with all their wigs, and they asked me to choose what wig I would like, and I chose this red one because I've always wanted to try burgundy hair or deep red hair. So yeah, this is their Regal wig. That's the name of the wig. It's called Regal. It is a lace front wig, as you can see. It comes pre-plucked. It is 150% density. It is 22-inch here, and it's very long for 22. I'm not even gonna lie, because I'm 5'9". Yeah, I'm a tall girl, and it comes literally to past my waist, and that's very long for me because I've had a lot of 22-inch hair, and yep. So it is a 3-part frontal and transparent lace. The lace is, I'm actually shocked. I'm amazed at the lace because it's actually very, very good. I can tell it's gonna melt like butter when I install it, but it is glueless apparently. So, but it has a wig band at the back. It's those thick wig bands. Ow. So I guess if you don't want to stick down your frontal with glue, you can just go out like this. Yeah, so that's all the details. You can use heat on this wig. It goes up to a maximum of 160. 160 is the maximum. My straighteners, oh okay, I thought my straighteners, the minimum was 230, but yeah, my straighteners can go up to less than 160. So I'm gonna go into installing this wig. This is gonna be a talk through. Yeah, please, I'm not a hairstylist. Don't make that silly mistake. I'm just a young girl who knows how to do her own hair. You get me? With my wigs, I don't oh yeah, I can't even see me. With my wigs, I don't go in and bleach the knots or whatever. I'm being honest, I just get my face powder. I put my brush in there and I just I spray it down with some holding spray, either my olive oil or my got2b spray. I literally spray it over the lace, take my powder brush, dab all over the lace, well inside, obviously not on like this way, but inside. So I spray it all over and then I put my powder on top and then I'm good to go. I'm going to start by cutting in the middle. I need a mirror, I can't do this. This is the lace. I'm going to cut straight in the middle. I would advise getting some sharp scissors, because my scissors aren't like, they're not sharp at all. I can't even find my sharp scissors. So this wig might even flop altogether. Okay, so when I get here, I just cut zigzag. So up, down, up, down, up, down. That's literally how I cut all the way down. Yeah, so up, down. So as you're cutting, like you would cut straight, like you would cut straight, but just move your wrist every snip, wrist, up, down, you dig? So then it creates this zigzag, you know, I don't know what it does, but it makes a wig. Look, the lace is already, phew, where is it? Find it. Up, down, up, down. You know, this YouTube thing, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's long. That's why I haven't been posting. It's not easy. Whoever told you YouTube is easy is a bloody liar. It's a bloody liar. Especially if you have a camera. Like if I had like a badass like because I want to record YouTube in high quality for some reason. With YouTube, I want to record on my Canon camera, and it's just long. It's honestly so long because I only have one battery firstly, and I literally have to speed myself when I'm recording a video because the Canon batteries are so rubbish and they die so easily. So I have to. It's just a long process overall. Editing with a Mac to transfer it to YouTube, to transfer it to Instagram. It's just all long. And then you're thinking, why don't you just record with your phone? I'm recording my phone right now because I don't have my tripod for my camera. But you're probably thinking, why can't you just record with your phone? It looks calm. But like I said, I want best quality for YouTube. I just enjoy when my videos are in better quality. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how it looks if you was to go out glueless. As in, bro, it's actually very nice. This is very nice. And even though I post once a year, I somehow have 3,000 subscribers. Even though I post once a year, and it's just very, very, very baffling for me. So imagine if I was consistent, that amount of subscribers I would accumulate. It would be impeccable. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man. Guys, I do a lot of waffling, so you have to get used to it. That's why I do voiceovers, and in my voiceovers, I'm just lifeless because I'm not in the moment. But as you can see, this is where my sideburns is, and I want my sideburns to be there. So I'm going to cut here. Let me take off this clip. So I want to, everything lower than that has to go. So I'm gonna part upwards. It may not make sense, but I feel like seeing it will make sense. So I'm gonna part upwards. This is how I do it with all my wigs. And my ear is here, so part upwards, straight. Okay. And this is how I test if the hair is comfortable. I just take, I like come stuck down, and I take the hair and I put it behind my ear. And if it fits comfortably, then yeah, it's good. If not, I'm gonna have to go back in and cut some more. And I'm going to show you guys how I glue down a section. And yeah, I'm gonna glue down the wig. I'm not really gluing, I'm using a spray. This is the olive oil. Super hot spray is much larger than this. I have the large one, but I prefer to use the small one because it's more precise. So I'm using this super hot spray. It is just like the Got To Be glued spray, and in my opinion, it's better and it dries down very clear, much clearer than it Got To Be. So I'm going to use this to glue down my wig, stick down my wig, and then yeah. So I'm going to show you guys the section, how I do the middle. Mark where you want to spray down or glue down. So this is where I need to stop spraying because that's like directly after my lace. So everywhere above that is where I'm going to be spraying. Hey, the lace. I'm gonna take the lace and place it directly where I want it to go. I'm gonna use my comb to push down the lace. And that is exactly where I want it to be. So as you can see, this part is glued down, this section is glued down, it ain't going nowhere. Do is you're gonna take, you can use rubbing alcohol or micellar water or baby oil. I use baby oil because it's delicious on my skin. When I am taking off my wig at night, I use rubbing alcohol, but when I'm just trying to clean up around the edges, I use baby oil because it works just as good in my opinion. So I'm very sure. Okay, so I'm gonna take cotton buds and I'm gonna put the baby oil on my cotton bud, soak it, and I'm gonna get rid of this first. See, you just got rid of that thing easily. Yeah. So I've laid the front down. I just slicked it back with some Ethnicity gel and I tied a scarf around. It's been on for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna straighten the hair with my straighteners on 150. This is amazing. No guys, for real. If it was dead, I'll tell you it's dead. Like, it actually looks so good. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm finally done. I really love how this wig turned out. Oh, oh. Red is looking a bit sweet. It's looking a bit sweet on me. So I'm going to show you guys the full wig. This is it. It's much more flowy as I've straightened it. So, yeah. It's much more flowy. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. I don't think you can tell now that it's a synthetic wig. And that's a really good thing. So, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This wig is a 10 out of 10 for me. Can't go wrong. This wig is £88. It's normally 110, but it's on sale for £88. And it's basically 24 inches. And it's soft. It's soft. I'm not gonna lie to you. When you first get it out of the box, it's a bit matte at the ends. But when you brush it out and you straighten it and you finish basically styling it and customizing it, bruv, you can't see the lace. Like, this wig is actually a mazzoline. It's really nice. It's really nice wig. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I'm not even lying to you. I've experienced no shedding. The only past strands I've received is when I cut the lace. As you can see, the lace has melted perfectly into my skin. This is no longer lace, but it has become Hannah's hair. And I don't wanna gas myself up, but I'm looking like a drawing, and I'm not gonna deny it. I was a bit weary about the colour, you know. I've never done anything like this. The only crazy colour I've done is blonde, but red, this type of red might just be my new go-to. You feel me? No, but this hair is it's actually really nice. As you can see, I'm running my hand through synthetic hair. Running my hand through nothing, no strands. Running my hand through no strands, no, you know, staircase motion, as in your hand will stop because there's a knot. I'm literally just running through, and it's so pretty. I love this hair. I love it. I literally have nothing bad to say about it. The fact that it fit my head, my massive head. This is best. I'm sorry, there's some excess glue here. I have nothing bad to say. I have nothing bad to say about this wig. This wig was constructed beautifully. As I said, the parting space is crazy. That I can do half up, half down if I wanted to. That there's so much. The space goes up to here, and it's like all the way here. Because you know some frontals go like, nah. All of the space I can part. So if I want to do half up, I'll do half up. But I'm showing you guys it naturally. You'll definitely be seeing me in this wig, bears. It's a lot. It's a really pretty wig, and I'm so happy. I'm actually happy with the results. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.